we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this mount or mountain located in Maine in the United States. We'll be looking at how to say more interesting names of famous places around the US, so make sure to stay tuned for those. How do you say it in American English, which arguably would be the correct pronunciation for it? It is said as Katahdin, Katahdin, Mount Katahdin. Now in British English this is generally said as Katahdin, Katahdin, or in American English, Katahdin. And now you know. More videos here on how to pronounce more interesting names of famous places around the United States that many get wrong. You won't anymore after watching those. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.